Hey guys, we are back with another video. Brennan,
On a brand new Game Shakers, a live stream, and
during
you are.
I got another fidget spinner, guys. Subscribe if you like my new fidget spinner. I just dropped it. If you guys don't know how to work YouTube gaming, and if you guys do, can you guys please help me try to do that?
Yeah, show.
You can't be in my vlog, Mom. My mom cannot be in my vlog. But anyways, I did get a new fidget spinner. Oh yeah. It's a nice fidget spinner, guys. We went to the swimming pool and it was closed at 7 o'clock. It's closed at it's supposed to be closed at 7. It's weird.
Give her a rash now, boy.
Oh. Anyways, guys, I got a new fidget spinner. And guess what? I made it to Las Vegas.
I think they know that by now. You've told them about every time you vlog that you're in Vegas.
I know that. But I'm just telling them that I actually did make it to Vegas.
Yeah, I think they know that by now.
You have to be 11 to have. Hold on. You have to be 11 to have Facebook on Instagram, right?
Tanya, I don't know how old.
Oh yeah. My iPad's cracked. But anyways, I got a new fidget spinner. That is the... Can I please smash 10 likes on this video? I'll be happy. Subscribe. I'll give you my fidget spinner for subscribing. Bye, guys. High five. High five.